So today I'm looking to add some mounts to this charging cord. I ordered the Tesla mount here, wall mount, so it, as you can see here, will hold this in place. It'll look a lot nicer and make it look like it's made for the wall there. So first I'm going to make some markings here to kind of see where I want to position it so that I can get the holes marked and get those drilled for the wall anchors. I'll unplug it here and make some marks. Now there's no stud here, so we will be using some wall anchors. So I'll pre-drill the wall here for those anchors. Right, and then we will go ahead and kind of push these anchors in. They can be a tough fit in there, but I'll just tap that in with the hammer. And from there, we can go ahead and get those screwed in. So with that, we can go ahead and get this charger back in place. And that already looks a lot better. Now we'll move over to this other mount, which will hold the cord. Looking forward to getting that up off the ground there. So again, just two holes here. I do have a stud over here, so I'm able to just drill this directly in without the anchors. So we'll kind of get that in place there. Make sure we have it straight. And now we just have to put the cap back on there, this little cover. Just snaps back and snaps in place. Awesome. Cool. So we wrapped that up pretty quickly, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe for more content.